welcome back. So, this is our third video in the robotics learning journey, where we will be showcasing how to make our virtual robot talk. In the previous video, we made a virtual robot. If you guys didn't watch it, consider watching. Let's go to codeit. This is what we made in the previous video. So, to make the robot talk, go to the button section where you can see a widget is pressed. Drag and drop it here. Once you click this widget, you can change its color or increase its size, etc. as you like. Next, we can select the button A and you can change the text too. I'm changing the word hello to my name Sheikha. Let's run it again. Let the program upload. Now we are done with the programming. Let's see how it works. If we move the BBrain, then the robot also orientates itself with the BBrain. And this is our button A. Since we selected button A as the input in our widget, if we press button A, we can hear the robot saying the text we typed. Let's hear it again.
Sheikha.
Yeah, I typed Sheikha. So, and there you have it. A virtual robot made using the BBrain and programmed using codeit. The robot is capable of looking around and interact using voice. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more robotics projects. Thanks for watching. Until next video, take care and bye-bye.